This is how to remove a GE oven door and then how to put it back into place. Open the door. You'll find 2 hinge locks. Flip the hinge locks open. And if your hinge looks a little bit different than these, open the bottom drawer and look for a tag with the model number. Position the door so that it's open about 3 inches. And you'll feel that the door is loose. Then grab both sides of it and lift. To reinstall the door, position it so that it's about open 3 inches, the same position that I took the door out, and insert the hinges into the slots. Open the door, close the latches. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, know how now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.